Welcome to Yogi Nest. My name is Jenna and I'm the owner of Yogi Nest. And today, in light of current events, I'm going to be guiding you through a meditation on embracing uncertainty. I don't think there is a single person on the planet that isn't being affected by this crisis. And I would like to try to provide you some ease and comfort and to let you know that it's totally okay to have feelings of fear and worry and uncertainty, to let those feelings come up, but then we have to figure out how to process those feelings so we don't just sit there and stay there and become stagnant. So that is what this meditation is for. In this time where it feels impossible to feel comfortable and to feel at ease, I hope this meditation helps you. So go ahead and find a comfortable place to sit or lie down, and we'll go ahead and get started. So you're either sitting up nice and tall, straight spine, or you're lying down flat, straight spine, little to no distractions, and enjoy. Whether you're sitting or lying down, make sure your spine is nice and straight, allowing air to freely flow in and out of your lungs. Once you're comfortable, find stillness in the body and close your eyes. Let the face, eyes, jaw, and neck be relaxed. The shoulders are relaxed and released down away from your ears. Let's begin by taking a moment to notice our breath as we inhale and exhale through the nose. There's no need to change what the breath is doing, just notice it. Where are you breathing? In your lower belly, middle belly, upper chest? Is your breath long and slow or short and shallow? Again, there's no need to change what's going on here. Just notice the quality of your breath in this moment. Now, see if you can allow your inhales and exhales to be slower and longer, more controlled. Inhaling from deep within the lower belly, through the nose, and bringing the breath slowly all the way up to the space between the collarbones. Exhaling now through the nose from the space between the collarbones all the way back down to the lower belly. Do this a few more times. Now, let's take a few deep breaths together, inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the mouth. Begin your inhale from the lower belly, filling the space all the way up to the collarbones. When you're completely full, open the mouth and let it go. Let's do that one more time. Inhale through the nose, nice and slow. When you're full, open the mouth and let it go. Good. Now return to normal breath in and out of the nose. If your thoughts are racing or you find you've wandered off at any time during this meditation, just come back to your breath. Now take a moment to feel the support beneath you, whatever that might be. All the points of contact between your body and that support. Knowing that it's there, see if you can allow the body to relax even more, to melt into that support, fully letting go of all tension, control, or places that are holding tight. You're safe. You're protected. let go. Good. Now visualize a door in front of you. The door is black. It's run down, not well taken care of, even slightly ominous. The door makes you feel uncomfortable, uncertain, but yet you're still curious. Why is it there? What's behind it? You walk over to the door slowly and cautiously. You reach for the handle and bravely open it, peeking in to make sure it's safe before you enter. You see a dimly lit room. There's a small desk with a lamp on it. It's the only light in the room. You continue to enter cautiously and take a seat at the desk. The desk is covered in small pieces of paper. Each piece of paper has a sentence written on it. Somehow, each individual sentence perfectly describes your current fears, worries, and uncertainties. It's as if someone read your mind and wrote your thoughts down on paper. Take a moment to read each piece of paper, to process the words in front of you. What fears, worries, and uncertainties lay before you? Take a moment to walk through them either silently or out loud, mentally or verbally acknowledging each and every one of them. All your current fears and uncertainties. Allow feelings and emotions to come up unimpeded. Feel what you need to feel in the way that you need to feel it. Remember to keep coming back to your breath, inhaling and exhaling through your nose. You feel a light breeze on the back of your neck. You turn around and notice a light peeking through the bottom of another door that's now appeared in this room. You get up and walk towards the door. This door is green, the most beautiful green you've ever seen. You suddenly feel calmer, more relaxed, and even hopeful about what's behind this door. You reach for the handle and peek inside. Another desk, but this room feels brighter, lighter, and safer. You go inside and walk over to the desk and sit down. More pieces of paper. But these pieces of paper provide a different message, a more positive message, messages of hope. Each piece of paper provides words of encouragement and solutions to the previous fears, worries, and uncertainties you processed in the room before this one. What do they say? What message is being given to you? How will you persevere? How will you navigate this crisis? What lessons will you learn from this? How will this trying time provide growth and strength for the person you'll be on the other side of this? Take a moment to visualize these words and messages. Take a moment to imagine all of your fears, worries, and uncertainties slowly disappearing one by one as you read the messages before you. Allow feelings and emotions to freely come and go. Feel what you need to feel in the way that you need to feel it. Remember to keep coming back to your breath, inhaling and exhaling through your nose. You hear birds chirping in the distance. and the room feels warmer. You feel a gentle breeze coming into the room from behind you. You turn around and see another door. This one is blue. You suddenly feel a rush of freedom, perseverance, peace, and prosperity. The door is half open and you can see outside. There's a gathering of people under a tree in the distance. You step outside. It's a beautiful day, sunny, the perfect temperature, green, calm, comforting. You approach the tree and realize the people who have come together under this tree are friends and family and people you love. You feel supported and safe. You look around you and take it all in. The world looks very different now. It's not the same as it was before, and you know that you'll have to learn how to acclimate to this new environment. But you also know that the one thing that didn't change is the love you have for the friends and family that have gathered here to meet you on the other side of all of this fear, worry, and uncertainty. Actually, your feelings of affection have grown. You also know that you are different now. You're not the same person you were before. You are stronger. You might have a few more scars, but you'll never take the little things for granted again. Your fears and worries and uncertainties have challenged you, that's for sure. But they also taught you valuable lessons. When you decided to lean into those uncomfortable feelings and you chose to embrace those uncertainties, you took control back. Yes, things will never be the same again, but that's life. Change is the only certain thing. But now you can also be certain that when you face what you fear the most, you will persevere and come out the other side a stronger and better version of who you were before. So before you open your eyes and go back into your day or night, I want you to take a moment to gracefully thank those fears, worries, and uncertainties that challenged you. Because without them, you wouldn't be the person you are today. You wouldn't have the knowledge that you have now, the tools that you have now, to face the world with a kinder, stronger, wiser, braver presence. You can do this. You can do anything. Trust the process. Come back to your body now, back to your breath. Feel the support beneath you. And with the eyes still closed, let's take a few deep breaths together. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling through the mouth. Start a nice big inhale now. When you're completely full, open the mouth and let it go. One more time. Nice big inhale. And when you're full, open the mouth and let it go. Good. Bring some small movements back into the fingers and toes and gently open your eyes. Okay, good. So take a moment to thank yourself for showing up today and doing the work. Mindfulness is an incredibly powerful practice and it's well worth it, but it does still require time and dedication. So every time you show up for your practice, thank yourself for showing up and taking care of yourself. I hope that this meditation was helpful for you and you feel stronger and ready to go back out into your day or your night and face whatever is in front of you. Try to remember that we're all going through this together, and that together we will get through this. We got to just keep on moving forward no matter what happens. Be good to yourself, be good to others, and you can go ahead and follow us on our Instagram at The Yogi Nest, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can keep getting videos on meditation, mindfulness, breath work, and yoga tips and tricks and techniques. And that's it. I hope that you enjoyed this, and I will see you later. Thanks for watching.